guys, welcome back to my channel. स्वागत है आप सभी का आस्था की दुनिया में. Today's video is a challenge video. We are going to do a language challenge. She's Bengali, she's Kashmiri and I'm Gujarati. So Soha पहले बंगाली में एक sentence देगी and we both will translate it to Hindi और English. फिर साइशा जाएगी, फिर मैं जाऊँगी. And let's see how this challenge goes. So without any further ado, let's get into the challenge.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Okay, so the first round is going to be like easy round.
No, actually
so
there are going to be three rounds.
Yeah, easy, medium and hard. पहला round easy रहेगा ताकि
medium.
at least मैं एक point जीत लूँ because Gujarati is the easiest language. तो ये दोनों को तो मिल ही जाएंगे points. मुझे भी
I
कुछ
think
points
Bangla is the hardest to guess. I'm
Yeah.
not even kidding.
मुझे बंगाली में बस एक ही sentence आता है.
अमित माको
भालोबाशी. वो भी वो मोंडलिका की वजह
and
से.
something मिष्टी.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है.
আমি কালকে রাত্রে বাইরে যাইনি.
I'm going to
मैं कल रात बाहर गई थी.
You're going to go somewhere in January? Wait, can you say that again?
At night.
Can you say it again?
আমি
না.
কালকে রাত্রে বাইরে যাইনি.
मैं कल
I'm not going to work
रात
tomorrow. I'm not going to work tomorrow.
नहीं, मैं कल रात को बाहर जा रही हूँ.
Can you say it again slowly?
আমি কালকে রাত্রে বাইরে যাই নাই.
I didn't go out last night.
Yes.
Okay, it's not. Okay, it was easy though. It was easy.
तुम
Man.
बोलो.
Oh yeah. Okay, I have it. here.
देखना पड़ेगा.
अरे मैं भूल गई मैंने लिखा क्या था. Guys.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
It was
Okay,
so
okay,
easy.
okay.
And you come up with medium. Yeah. Go on.
ऐसी गसुन पगा पेट classes शुरू.
Oh, from tomorrow our classes are starting
Yeah.
back.
Okay, it's that easy.
क्लास आया तो मुझे समझ आ गया कि क्लास कल से शुरू हो रहा है फाइनली. मेरा भी बहुत इजी है फर्स्ट वाला. तब मैं क्या गया था.
Where did you go?
What?
हाँ.
Oh, she said it so
So
I didn't
क्या
even
गया था.
comprehend it. Oh yeah. Where
Okay,
did you
we
go?
all
Obviously.
clear one point,
Wow.
which is great. Yeah.
Hold on.
Let's move to the second medium one.
अच्छा ठीक है समझ गया.
Okay.
I give up already.
ব্যস্ত জীবনের মাঝেও প্রকৃতির স্পর্শ মানুষকে মানসিক শান্তি দেয়.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Wait, this is hard. How's this medium?
This is literally medium.
My sentence is short for medium.
ठीक है बोलो.
ব্যস্ত জীবনের মাঝে
बैठी थी. बेस्ट का मतलब बैठी थी उतना तुम नहीं.
ব্যস্ত জীবনের মাঝেও প্রকৃতির স্পর্শ মানুষকে মানসিক শান্তি দেয়.
Shanti, like calm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
শান্তি.
आजू बाजू में सब जगह शांति होनी चाहिए तभी दिमाग शांत रहेगा.
No, you're getting there, but
Wait, Manushi means earth.
Mental health. Our mental
mental-
health is getting affected nowadays.
No, something about
My mental health is not normal.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास. कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं.
In our life, nature is our mental health.
I mean, yeah, that's actually kind of right, but you're missing one word. You're missing one
Okay.
word.
Due
And
to
then, like,
nature, our mental
yoga?
health is normal.
stress. We are taking too much stress these days. In
No,
our life, we
nature
should
is
be chill.
affecting our mental health. Nature is affecting our health.
Get the word ব্যস্ত জীবনের.
In
My
our
life.
in our life, nature is playing biggest
Whole
role when it
life,
comes
universe, world.
ব্যস্ত জীবনের ব্যস্ত.
Besto क्या है?
to pesto.
Pesto,
वो pizza पे डालते हैं.
ব্যস্ত.
Besto जीवन something life.
Yeah.
In
Our life.
No.
Someone's life.
No. Our is like আমার.
Human life.
No.
Some-
2,000 years later.
Like Asta almost got the sentence, but this is one word.
I
Like the
even
first
forgot
word.
the sentence.
yeah, something mental health piece. I also said it.
Okay, I get
I
half
helped
for
her.
you.
I also helped her.
ठीक है बोल
I
दो
also
तुम.
got life.
हाँ ठीक है.
So I guess you guys get half
Half.
points.
Yeah, what was it?
So ব্যস্ত means busy life. So ব্যস্ত জীবনের মাঝে like in
This
in
was
busy
mine is so
life.
easy.
Nature
helps.
if you like if you're in
This was so hard.
yeah
so now-
if you're surrounded by nature, it gives you mental peace.
Okay,
No,
now
this was
you
hard.
go.
Okay,
Yeah, this is
my
hard.
sentence is short because it's medium.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is easy. Matcha varya boch lagan.
क्या बात है सर. क्या बात है सर. क्या बात. ये बात है.
It's short. Matcha varya boch lagan.
Mathematics, macho means mathematics. Mathematics is really English.
Matcha varya boch lagan. Wait, no, I can't say that. But when I explain the meaning, yeah.
ये तो उससे भी hard था.
Exactly.
Guess तो कुछ guess तो.
No, because the Jeevan thing was I could interpret it.
I mean Jeevan, Shanti,
Met-
all that you
I
guys
could,
could,
yeah,
exactly.
to Hindi. Matcha varya boch lagan.
लगान picture से related है.
Lagan is like love, right? Affection.
No.
Okay.
Oh wait, I thought it was similar to Hindi. Never mind. I feel like I'm just used to it.
वापस बोलो धीरे धीरे.
मैं
I am.
वार्य बॉच लगन. Not I am, but close, but not I am.
मेरे
We-
साथ मेरे
We
पास.
are.
No.
ये तो बहुत हार्ड है यार. बंगाली से ज्यादा हार्ड कश्मीरी है. बॉच गालियां वालियां नहीं
नहीं,
दूंगी.
नहीं,
चैनल फैमिली.
Hey, no. My Kashmiri viewers, come on. This is the easiest one.
Easiest.
It's not easy.
Because it's
मैं
short.
कहाँ
It's short.
पर अपनी गुजराती को लेके. मुझे तो बिल्कुल गैस ही नहीं हो रहा.
Wait, guess I am something.
I'm
in the middle of-
affected to you.
I'm
We are
in the
affected
middle of
to you.
something.
No. Actually, I am works. If I actually think about it, I am works. So yeah, keep it.
I'm really connected to you.
No.
Ami Bachu.
No.
Okay, Lagani.
It's okay. So Lagan is nothing. That has nothing to do with love.
No.
Okay. I'm not going without you.
No.
I'm going without you.
No. Not close.
We both give up.
Yeah, I give
Can I
it.
just give one hint? Like we're all in that state right now.
Our mental
And
health
we
is not
discuss this.
stable.
No. No, stop.
We are unemployed.
No, we feel cold.
No.
We are irritated. We are frustrated.
No, guys, it's okay. I'm just gonna say it now. It's gonna be
Yeah.
fun. Metro Warrior Botchlangan is I am very hungry. That's it. That's it.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है. एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो.
Metro Warrior. Warrior means very. Botch is hungry. Lagan is lag rahi hai.
ये तो मैं कभी गैस ही नहीं.
I know. Actually, Lagan you
जिंदगी
guys
में
should have
मर
guessed.
जाती लेकिन
Because
guess
Lagan
नहीं
is
कर
lag rahi hai. Like Lagan lag rahi hai. Like मुझे भूख लग रही
पाती.
है.
मेरा तो बहुत ही easy है ये.
I try to look for a difficult sentence for the third part. Now even I don't know.
You know, I feel like I need to chat GPT.
Okay, मेरा सुनो. मेरा
Yeah.
बहुत easy. It will just take like 30 seconds for them to guess. Even the median one. હું જે કહું છું એ તમે લખો.
Huh?
હું જે કહું છું એ તમે લખો.
Oh, what I'm
What I'm
saying,
saying,
yeah,
you
I'm
have to do
understanding.
No.
What
What I'm
I'm
saying, you
is
have to do it.
understanding.
હું જે કહું છું એ તમે લખો.
You're understand.
No.
You want me to do what I say?
Whatever I'm
She's
saying.
almost near. Yeah.
Whatever I'm saying, you
Saying
have to
something.
understand it.
No,
Yeah,
not
that's
understand.
what I said.
હું જે કહું છું એ તમે લખો.
Oh, you remember it?
Do you?
Whatever I
Whatever
said,
I'm saying, you're liking it.
No.
Can you say it again?
હું જે કહું છું એ તમે લખો.
Listen to what I'm saying.
ના. હું જે કહું છું એ
Whatever I'm
તમે
saying.
લખો.
Lakho? What am I
Yeah,
saying?
what the hell is
Yeah,
that?
Lakho. Yeah, whatever
That's what
I'm
I'm
saying,
saying.
that was very easy.
Yeah,
The first part.
the
but-
first part was easy.
હું
What?
જે કહું છું એ તમે લખો. લખો is so
Lakho is like
simple.
rakho. Like what am I
લખો
saying?
લખો લખો.
Oh, write it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like.
What am I saying? You just
Just
write
write
it.
সময়ের পরিবর্তনের সঙ্গে মানুষের চিন্তা ও অনুভূতিও ধীরে ধীরে বদলে যায়।
When I cannot sleep at night, my tension builds.
No.
No,
Because
no.
song is
It's
not
like
sleep.
नहीं उसका मतलब है कि
That's in Kashmiri.
चिंता धीरे धीरे इंसान को नीचे
क्या
डुबाने
बाबा
लगती
mental
है.
health के बारे में क्यों
No,
हो रहा
चिंता
है?
is right.
Oh, if the more stress you take, like slowly it eats you up and
Yeah.
it takes over you.
No, slowly is right.
Yeah.
And then
slowly
Shoma-
slowly it gets you in depression.
Okay,
slowly
no,
slowly
no,
it's getting
break
in
down
depression.
the words.
Okay,
Okay,
start.
সময়ের পরিবর্তনের
slowly
No, that's not slowly.
No,
slowly.
ধীরে ধীরে slowly.
Yeah.
ধীরে ধীরে is literally
Yeah.
easy, right? সময়ের পরিবর্তনের সময়
সময় তো कोई मिठाई लग रही है.
বদলে যায়
Bodle?
বদলে যায়
builds up the
No, it's
pressure.
kind of Hindi.
Bodle. Badal jata hai.
Yeah,
It changes. It
exactly.
changes.
It
It changes.
changes.
Okay.
Okay.
Like,
Good.
give me half the point. Wait, I don't even know the count right now.
So it's 2, 1.5, 1.5.
Yeah.
Now give me already half. I got a big one. I guessed a big one.
ধীরে ধীরে it changes. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the last part.
रुको जरा सबर करो
What kind of sentence here? Like mine was, I'm very hungry, guys, and you guys still couldn't guess that. I'm very hungry.
Because that's like alien language.
ये भी एलियन ही लग रहा है. एक गुजराती है जो हम तीनों को आती है.
Exactly.
It's because we all know Hindi. That's the only
No,
reason.
because we watched something else.
कौन है ये लोग कहाँ से आते हैं ये
So
वो तो सर्च मत
No, I'm looking at the Kashmiri sentences. I'm not
अरे
searching
उसका
it out.
छोड़ के तुम तुम्हारा खाना.
I give up already.
I also give up.
Okay, so it means like with the change of time, people like change their thoughts and like
Please.
experiences.
This is
धीरे
so
धीरे.
hard. Okay, it's hard though.
धीरे धीरे.
Dheere, dheere. Can I get 0.5?
मेरी जिंदगी
Yeah, for getting changed.
That's like
No.
the last this bit of the
Exactly.
sentence.
Meçhil, Benye, Khandar, November, As months, Khandarcha Delhi months.
दिल्ली में कुछ है.
Yeah, Delhi is Delhi, yeah. But
I was in Delhi in November for this many months.
no.
I like to eat food in Delhi in November.
No.
I am.
I went to Delhi. in
I'm
November.
obsessed with the
Meçhil.
food in Delhi. Delhi है ना सेंटेंस में.
I said
है.
Delhi. Yeah,
Delhi.
Delhi is Delhi. Delhi.
दिल्ली जैसा कोई नहीं. ऐसा बोलना चाहती तुम कि जब मैं दिल्ली में हूँ.
The momos are the best.
Okay, I ate momos in November in Delhi.
Why will I give it to you guys? Oh no, I'm just making a random comment. Meçhil, you guys know Meçhil.
I am.
And Delhi. Meçhil, Benye, Khandar, November, As months. Khandarcha Delhi months.
I eat a lot in Delhi.
No, it's not botch again, guys. You guys keep thinking it's the medium.
दिल्ली में बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं नवंबर में.
No.
I give up.
Same. I give up.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so if you guys knew context, my sister's wedding is in November in Delhi. So it was like my sister's, Benye's sister. My sister's wedding is in Delhi in November, basically.
Guys, noted गीगी की शादी नवंबर में है. अब मेरा तो हार्ड भी इजी है तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
Let's see.
દુનિયામાં સલા આપવા વાળા બહુ છે પણ સાથ આપવા વાળા બહુ ઓછા છે.
The whole world,
there are
I'm the
like-
coach, and the world is the coach for me.
In world, there are very few people who are really like
Wait, say
for
it again.
you. They're for you.
Can you say it again?
Almost same but not.
I'm a bhoj on this world.
अरे नहीं हूँ मैं
Yes, मैं बोल रही हूँ. I said bhoj. I'm a bhoj.
नहीं हूँ मैं बोझ. ये थोड़ी सही है. बताओ.
But no, well, she didn't get the whole thing.
In this world, it's only your parents who.
नहीं पेरेंट्स तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं. माता पिता बोला क्या मैंने?
Wait, can you say it again?
હા સલાહ આપવા વાળા બહુ બધા છે પણ સાથ આપવા વાળા બહુ
My
ઓછા.
heart is very big. So, you know, because she said bada che. We need to keep guessing. We need to guess something.
ઓછા.
In this world, a lot of people.
સાથ સમજ नहीं आ
A
रहा.
lot of people will be with you, but they're not actually with you.
No.
That kind of makes sense, though. Yeah, exactly. It's wisdom. Yeah. In this world, wait, say it again. Oh, in this world, a lot of people, you are alone. No, actually, it makes sense to me.
સલાહ. What is સલાહ?
In this world, you give a lot of advice. Advice, salah.
हाँ.
Advice.
સલાહ. Okay.
Advice.
Oh, there are a lot of people to give you advice,
advice.
but not to be with you.
Yeah.
No, I know it.
Okay.
There's a lot of people to give you advice, but they don't actually implement it.
No.
But when it comes to
Both
like
are
giving
wrong.
you
Giving
like,
you is
support,
right. No.
they're not there.
It's like in આ દુનિયામાં સલાહ આપવા વાળા
Advice
બહુ
देने के लिए
છે.
बहुत लोग हैं.
बहुत
Yeah,
लोग
बहुत
हैं.
लेकिन
लोग हैं.
actually
But
implement
साथ
नहीं करते.
આપવા वाला बહુ
That's
છે.
what I said. साथ नहीं है
I
तू.
think she
You won.
won.
2.522.
I lost. I already knew that, so that's fine.
That's okay,
But yeah, what do you feel about this challenge?
It was fun.
But yeah, that's it for this challenge, guys. If you like this challenge, do comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment,
And
share,
please comment where
subscribe.
are you from?
Yes, and also you can type down your sentences, and maybe we'll guess in the next challenge. Like,
Now,
you know,
guys-
वो अपनी language में कुछ बताओ, हम guess कर सकते
Guys, no, actually, botch laga and let us go. Actually,
हैं. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.